Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required for part A to express this equation into the form y equals to ax plus b. Okay, so this is important because if I compare y equals to ax plus b and y equals to mx plus c, I hope you can see that m and a, b and c are actually the same. They represent the same thing. And this one will actually tell me that this value here is the gradient. And this value here is my y-intercept. So this is at one point. Okay, so once we get that settled, then my next step, starting from 6x plus ky minus 9 equals to 0, I am going to make sure that y equals to something. Yeah, so I will have ky equals to negative 6x plus 9, because I minus 6x on both sides. I also add 9 on both sides, so that 6x minus 6x is 0. I eliminated the 6x and the negative 9 on the left hand side. Next, I will have to divide by k, so that I will have negative 6 divided by kx. Not forgetting the 9 also must divide by k. And this will be the answer for part A, where we have successfully expressed the equation into y equals to something x plus something. Okay, so we can see now that this will be my A, which is the gradient. This will be my C, which is the y-intercept. Moving on to part B, then now they tell me something very important. They tell me that the gradient is negative 3 over 4. Since I know that this represents gradient, and now they tell me the value of the gradient, so all I have to do is to equate them together to solve for k. Yep. So from here, I'm going to multiply by k on both sides and multiply by 4 on both sides, so that I will have negative 24 equals to negative 3k. And from here, I'm going to divide by negative 3, so that I will get my value of k here. And once I know the value of k, I can get my y-intercept easily. Yeah? So my y-intercept will be equals to (9) divided by k, and my k is 8. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.